Hi everyone, I am Rashi Goyal and I will be taking you through the functionality of invoice posting policies in Dynamics 365 Business Central. Whether you are a business manager, finance professional, or IT administrator, this feature can drastically enhance user experience while reducing the need for customizations. Invoice posting policies in Business Central allow you to control how invoices are posted, ensuring consistency, accuracy, and compliance with your organization's financial procedures. But what does this mean in practice? Let's check how this works. Navigate to the user setup in Business Central. On the user setup, we can check the default policies assigned to every user. First, let's explore the allowed policy. This is the default setting which gives users the flexibility to choose from various posting options such as ship, invoice, or both ship and invoice. Let's take an example. A user, maybe a sales manager, can process an order, ship the goods, and then generate the invoice all within the same workflow. This flexibility is essential for roles that require dynamic decision making on when to ship or invoice based on customer needs. Let's see how this works now. We have assigned the allowed policy to a specific user. Now we'll go to the purchase orders and see what happens when we click on the post button. On clicking the post button, we can see the user has received three options. One is receive, invoice, or both, that is receive and invoice. Here user have the flexibility to choose any of the options. Now let's look at the prohibited policy. This setting prevents users from posting invoices directly, ensuring that receipts must be completed first. For instance, when a user tries to post an invoice without receiving, Business Central will prompt a confirmation dialog only that will allow the receipts to be posted. This policy is perfect for organizations needing stricter control over the invoicing process, ensuring all financial activities are properly sequenced. Let's see how this works now. We move to the purchase orders again. And let's see what happens when we click on the post button. So, in the prohibited policy, the user can see that the dialog box says, do you want to post the receipt? That means user only has the flexibility to receive the order. Finally, we have the mandatory policy. This requires users to post the invoices together with the related shipments or receipts. For instance, when user processes an order, Business Central will prompt the message in the dialog box as both the receive and invoicing options. This policy is crucial for organizations that need to ensure all shipments or receipts are invoiced simultaneously, which will reduce the discrepancy and enforce the compliance. Let's see how this works on the purchase orders. Now, when the user clicks on post, one can see that the dialog box says, do you want to post the receipt and invoice? That means the user has the flexibility to receive the goods and invoice the order at the same time. Traditionally, controlling user actions related to posting invoices, shipments, and receipts often required extensive customizations, wherein the options were made hidden for specific users as per setups. This not only increased development time but also introduced potential risk of errors and inconsistencies. Moreover, it hindered user adoption due to a complex and often confusing interface. These were some of the challenges that we used to face before the introduction of the invoice posting policies. So assigning these policies is very straightforward in Business Central. It's just the setup is completely based on the user setup card, wherein every user is assigned a different sales invoice posting policy or a purchase invoice posting policy as per the options required per the requirements. Thus, the invoice posting policies in Business Central offer a powerful way to tailor the system to your organization's needs, improving user experience and minimizing the need for complex customizations. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you, everyone.